Hello everyone. Let me continue with some of the problems on areas of similar triangles. The first question, today's first question is, in the figure ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, if AD intersect BC at O, show that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. Let me read again. ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, show that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. Now what can I do? Since they stand on the same base BC, I can compare like this. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC. Area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. Half into BC into height is AO. Height is no. Here there is no height. AO is not height. They have not given. It is height. So let me construct one height, AL and DM. So half into BC into AL divided by half into BC into DM. AL and DM are perpendiculars or heights. That is why constructed. Now, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to half into base into height. So that is also you write down area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So based on this, I did this. Half of it cancels, BC get cancels. I got AL by DM. But what have they asked? I have to prove that AO is AO by DO. Where I get AO by DO? If I take these two triangles and prove that they are similar, then I can write down AL by DM is equal to AO by DO. Am I right? So, to prove that AO by DO, I take these two triangles and prove that they are similar. Can I prove that this is similar? Definitely yes. By why? This is vertically opposite angles. Once you draw the perpendicular, it is 90. So, the remaining angle will be equal. So, how do I start? In triangle ALO and triangle DMO. Angle AOL is equal to angle DOM. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Angle ALO is equal to angle DMO. Why? Is equal to 90 degree, our construction. Right? So, therefore, angle LAO is equal to angle MDO. Remaining angle. Therefore, triangle ALO is similar to triangle DMO. Why? They are equiangular, AAA similarity criteria. Therefore, I can write on area of Therefore, I can write on AL by DM is equal to AO by DO. Correct? So now let me call this as 1. From 1 instead of AL by DM, I can write on AO by DO. So I can write down area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. This is the method. Our next question is, if the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. I draw two similar triangles ABC and DF. ABC and DEF. Areas of two similar triangles are equal. So equal means DEF also should be of the same size. Am I right? So I can say area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to DEF is equal to AB square by DE square is equal to BC square by EF square is equal to AC square by DF square. But they are equal. So what is, suppose this is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter. This is 100 centimeter, this is also 100 centimeter. What is 6 by 6? 1. 100 by 100, 1. So 1 is equal to AB square by DE square, or is equal to BC square by EF square, or is equal to AC square by DF square. So I can write down 1 is equal to AB square by DE square. So what do I get? AB is equal to D. AB square is equal to DE square, or therefore AB is equal to D. Similarly I can get 1 is equal to BC square by EF square. So BC square is equal to EF. So BC is equal to EF. 1 is equal to AC square by DF square. So I can write down AC square is equal to DF square. AC is equal to DF. So if the sides are equal, since AB is equal to D, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Why? Yes, yes, yes postulate. That is the answer. So, if you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe it. Thank you very much.